Greetings, sailors, to MastGates.com. Tom Luque speaking. I want to show you today our Dwyer mast model DM1 gate. We list it as a B1 type of profile, and it happens to have a very small lip bead on it. Now we make these gates out of a nylon, which can withstand hot boiling water, and you can order it in many different colors. And we also make it in black PLA. Now the little thumb tabs that we have here are made with a hole so you can add set screws if you wish to lock your gate in place. But I found that for day sailors, you don't have to worry about it, or if you want to change your sail off and just push your thumb against the tab, you can lift it up, it unlocks, and it's made for 2 3/4 inch to 3 inch lengths cutouts. When you're installing it, it's just putting it in place. If you want the extra addition of locking it in, use your holes for pecking a little drill, dimple, or drilling all the way through. These gates have been tested with compression type sail slugs, and can't pull it out. 1/2 inch slug, push and pull, and bullet nose, very small, blunt nose. It's a very durable gate to keep your sail in and reefing all the way down to your boom. And when you don't want to take it off, it's just a slide off. Thank you for viewing and contacting MastGates.com or ordering a nylon gate through Shapeways.com. We have many other gates listed. Thank you.